Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Weng Sensei, your online tutor. Our expression of the day is, I'm not bothered. We use the expression, I'm not bothered, to say that we're not worried about something. Example conversation. Grandma, this homework is difficult. Is it okay if I go to Nicole's place? We'll do it together. Well, I'm not bothered, but be home as soon as you finished. Complete this conversation using the video. Use I'm not bothered in your response. Let's try this. Hello, Nathan. Nicole and Tricia will do their homework in your place. Type your answer on the comment section. For tomorrow's expression of the day, we will use in that case. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get your daily expression of the day. Like and share this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Weng Sensei, your online tutor.